Ready? This bike is scary soft, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Yo, the bike responsive, your friend. Brake sharp. Oh, God, the brake them sharp. Holy shit, this thing is sharp. By far the fastest 150 I've ever ridden. I've been active already for 5 minutes. Yes, we have won! We have a win! Woo! Yeah, baby! Right now I'm nervous. I said, I'm trembling. I'm thing them makes me figure up on, you know. Going some figure. Something else, man, I'm telling holy shit, it's so easy to find neutral on this bike. I'm not going to jump. Gonna get past that blouse skirt, Ricardena. The reason why I stay here so is because the sun you take my spot. Ah, bro. Ah, I should move in and get up my spot. My nice shielding spot from the sun. Hey, nothing if I'm shave my face is like everything is irritating this thing, man. Like shit. Time with it no man, sure. R6 are talking no man. What kind of pipe the pan? You can't see pipe going on there. Wiggle it through the tree up there. You know where the hub is? The hub. It's at 34. Mr. reach 35. He named 34 more. Right down there, so. Turn left? Yeah. 34? Yeah. Oh, so okay, so I go down and then turn left. Okay. Alright, thanks. Alright, thank you. Hey. Pink building. Damn, this thing needs to be greased, bro. I might just get to nobody, you know, dog. You see what I say? I'm in a right store too. Back brake. I don't know if you guys can even see properly. The gear thing is different on this bike. What they do is they have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, and neutral somewhere between. Yeah.
Doors.
Okay,
All the way doors, so they reach the end of the road.
This bike is funny. It won't start with rev. You can't give this bike rev on its side. Oh my god, this place is beautiful. Oh wow. Too far. Dude, I don't see no house numbers on these houses. 24. Full of Fiacta or 35 Paris. My people, look at the view. Oh my god, look at that. Beautiful. Dude, why can't I live here? I'm not rich. I'm not rich enough. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Dude, the bike is in third gear and it does not feel. It feels like it's in first.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
What, man? I'm not sure that I don't know them with them. Freaking hell is the entrance. Morning, sir. We have a delivery for somebody.
Jam bro.
Yeah.
Inside the circle.
Run, sir. To the front door.
Yeah.
This part, me can lift this. Me can put it up in the corner or put it there,
Put
sir.
the same place this man. About now, Chuck.
Alright. Run, sir.
What this for?
Camera.
I watch you.
No, it I watch the road.
And you can see.
Yeah.
So I'm to you.
Me no need to see outside. Me see out of this. But if anything happen, me use this.
Well, like accident.
I'ma post it on YouTube as well.
A technology like that.
Technology. Yeah, I say come on, say that. Oh man, say that to me one day.
It look good, you.
Yeah man, I'm a little insurance too, you know? Yeah man. Terms, you know that.